And here we got the final output notice of loading page. After 4 seconds, it redirected to the this content page. Again, I am checking this one. See, after 4 seconds I have set, the loading page will display. After that, we will get this content page, which is a div container. Let's write the code how to create a loading page functionality. I'm using JavaScript and CSS. First, let's add simple doc type HTML. After that, I'm closing the simple HTML element, header tag. Below the header tag, I'm adding the body element. Now, inside this body, I'm defining one div container, which is a overlay container class overlay. This is our loading page, what we call overlay. Inside this overlay, I want to add the image of the loading image. So, loader div container. This is a loader. I'm not using any image. I'm using CSS styles to load the page. And the image, and also I want to display the message here, loading. Loading message. After loading the page, I want to display the loading message. I am adding some time delay, around 3 seconds or 4 seconds. After that, I want to display this page div class is equals to content center h1 welcome to my channel, h2 Alpha computers and technology. That's it. We have done the designing part. Now the JavaScript functionality. Here I am adding, after the body tag, I am adding script window.add event listener. Load, when page loads, I want to invoke this function. Let's close this one. We need to close the script tag. Now let's add the set timeout functionality. Set timeout function, I want to document dot query selector. This is overlay. Copy this one. Class name. So we need to add dot overlay dot style dot display is equals to none. Again, then the next step, document dot query selector. This time I am adding content class name. Content is a class now, so we need to add dot style dot display is equals to block. Block means it will display our content page. Now here the time delay I am adding around 4 seconds. You can adjust the time delays here. That's it. This is a very simple functionality, JavaScript functionality I have added. Now we require the style in the header section. I am adding body font family. I am adding around Arial. This is the font style. I am adding margin 0 and padding also I am adding 0. Then overlay, I am adding some styles to the overlay. Dot is represents the class name overlay then position is equals to, position is fixed, then top 0, left also 0, the position I have set. So top 0, left 0 means it will come at the center. If not, we will adjust the top and width. Percentage, height also 100%. Background color, I'm adding around black color, and display flex, and what else we have? Content, justified content is center, and Z index is figure line. 4 nines, let's add 4 nines. Now we need to add the loader. After overlay, we need to add the loader, which is also a class name dot loader. Border is 4 pixel solid white. Border top 4 pixel solid, and here I am adding some neon style, which is a blue color 00FFF, and border radius is 50%. So the loader will become the circle. 50% means width of the circle is 50 pixels. You can adjust the height and width and border radius also if you want. 50 pixels. Then animation spin. I want to rotate 2 seconds linear infinity spins I am doing here. And the next step we need to add keyframes at keyframes spin. This is a spin I am adding here. 0%, transform, rotate 0 degrees, and next 100%, transform, rotate 360 degrees. I want to rotate 360 degrees. Here we got the double column. Let's delete one thing. Next, I want to display this message also now. So copy this one, which is also class name. So we need to add dot loading message. The loading message I want to display. This is the color is white, and the margin top is 10 pixels. Margin left 10 pixels. And the last one, after that we need to display the content. For 4 seconds, when page loads will display, I don't want to display this content. So let's make it none. Dot content display none. So after 4 seconds, it will display. Here we have written the code in the JavaScript. See here block, it will display the content page. That's it. We have done the complete coding part to loading page functionality. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. For that, we need to open the file explorer. Let's open that one. The folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is a JavaScript interview, and this is our file name loading page. Let's check. This is a loading page, and now let's open this page. And here we've got the file. Oops, something went wrong. See, after 4 seconds we got this one, but here what happened? Let's make it center, and loading also is not displaying. Let's check and fix this one. The overlay, we need to text align items center. Let's make the align items center. And what else? The loading message here, the columns, it's not columns, it's color. That's it. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. I'm reloading the browser, and here we got the final output. Notice of loading page. After 4 seconds, it redirected to the this content page. Again, I'm checking this one. See, after 4 seconds I have set, the loading page will display. After that, we'll get this content page, which is the div container. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a loading page functionality using a JavaScript and CSS. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.